Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on Oracle VirtualBox. But first I'm going to open the Google Chrome browser, and in the search bar I will type download Windows 11. Okay, so I'm going to go to this link. In order to download Windows 11 ISO file, I will go down and I will select the Windows 11 and I will click confirm. It is validating my request. It may take few seconds to complete. Now is the time to select the product language, so I will select English as my language and then I will click confirm. It is again validating my request. Okay, so I just need to wait for a while until this is done. Okay, now is the time to download Windows 11 ISO file. Click 64-bit download. So this will take some time to complete the download process because size is large, 5.4 GB something. Okay, so I have already downloaded this file, so I'm going to cancel it from here. So I have placed the file over here in my D directory Windows 11. So what I need to do next, I need to just install I need to first download the Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, so from here I'm going to download the VirtualBox. Since I'm using the Windows machine, I will select Windows as my host. So look, it will start the download process. This will take few seconds to complete. So I already have this file in my system. All I need to do just open the exe file and let's just start the installation. Okay, now click next. I accept the terms and condition. Click next. This is where it will be installed. Next, yes, next, install, and this will start the installation process. Okay, it will take some time to complete, maybe few seconds to complete. Just wait for a while until this is done and dusted. Okay, so now is the time to click finish because the installation is done. So click finish and it will open the Oracle VirtualBox. Now I'm going to create a new virtual machine. So from here I'm going to create a new virtual machine and I will name my machine as Windows 11 VM and ISO image. So I have placed the ISO image in my D directory somewhere. I will go in my D directory Windows 11 folder and I will select the ISO file which I have downloaded. Okay, now all other settings are default. Click next. Okay, let me just set the username. Okay, now I will set the user as Windows 11 and I will set the easy password. Okay, let me just set it as 123QWE 123QWE. Okay, click next. I'm not going to mention the product key right now. Click next. Okay, base memory is 4 GB, that is more than enough. Processor, let me just give 6 processors. Okay, click next. All other settings will be default. Click next and finish. Okay, now this is going to open the virtual machine for me. Now, I need to wait for a while. Just wait and this will open it for me. Look, the status is running at the moment. It is running. Look. So what I need to do next, I just need to go to the view and just select the scaled mode. Okay, switch to scaled mode and press enter. And I need to wait because the installation process will take time. In my case it took around 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, so it will take time, so don't worry about it. Okay, now enter the product key. I don't have a product key right now, so I will ignore this and I will select I don't have a product key. We are getting a few things ready. Just wait. It is installing at the moment. Just wait. So from here what I can do, I can just close it and I can just power off the machine. Okay, now what I need to do, I just need to start the machine again. Okay, I've just started the machine again. Switch and starting virtual machine again. VirtualBox. So Windows 11 is about to be displayed. You just need to wait. So installation, it has almost completed. Getting things ready for you. You just need to wait. So it has taken some time to complete. So be patient during the time of installation. This might take few minutes. So be patient. So the installation process has been completed. Now you are ready to use Windows 11 on VirtualBox. Okay. I hope you have gone through the process. At the end, I will request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much and have a great learning.